Yeah, man. I'm chilling in Fort Vibes. I'm high. Bon McLean, man. I'm so high. Touch the sky. Blowing on the door. I'm high right now. I'm blowing on it. Keisha now. Yeah. Just got the cigarillos ready to smoke. Smoking on voodoo now. I get the joke. How many of y'all stress free? I blow that smoke, door smoke, it don't joke. I'm high right now. I'm blowing on that door smoke. So high right now. I damn near made myself choke. That door smoke. Gotta stay high right now. I'm high right now. Blowing on that Keisha smoke. Everywhere I go, I'm high, no joke. You can see my eyes. I'm full of that fucking smoke. You feel me now? My life can't be no joke. Smoking on that door smoke. Do you wanna smell my smoke? My mom said to me, son, you need to leave that smoke. I told my mom I could never leave the smoke. It sets my mind free, no joke. She laughed at me, so I stumbled out the front damn door and cried those tears. Then I lit my cigarette up, but I had that dodo there. It set my mind so free. I caught my own tears. That dodo set me free. That dodo smoke. How many of you smoke me? That dodo smoke. Yeah, I'm blowing on that dodo smoke. It really gonna set me free. You don't really know about me. That dodo smoke really set me free. We're blowing on that dodo smoke. Yeah, we're blowing on that dodo smoke. It'll set you free.